I'm just hiking into Pan Lake on the stepping stone trails, actually. And we still don't have a whole lot of snow just yet. But I was kind of interested to see what the ice conditions were like on Pan Lake. Some of the lakes right now are frozen over, the little ones. And the ice surface is perfectly smooth, which is great for ice skating. But I also have a 3.5 meter kite that I have used before with ice skates on a lake when you get just the right conditions. And it's super fun, and man, does it ever go quick. So yeah, you get the kite going with some skates on. It just rips you around on the lake. So yeah, I'm just gonna go check out the conditions and see if maybe they might be right for that. So we're at Pan Lake and it is completely froze over. It seems to be pretty good, but I think what we'll do is I'll just put the drone up and take a quick look around the lake and see what the conditions look like. The other thing I wanted to do today too is we use these trails quite a bit in the wintertime for fat biking and walking, hiking. Some people use them for skiing as well. So I wanted to set up like a little permanent location where we could have like a fire pit for, just for a place to stop during the middle of the day if you want to go out for a little ride, have a little bite to eat or warm up. So I'm looking for a good spot. I have a place in mind, but maybe after I put the drone up, I'll go for a little walk over to that spot, see what it looks like, and see if we can set something up at that spot. All right, we're done the drone flight. It looks like it's frozen over all the way. Out in the middle, it's super clear ice. It'd be kind of spooky skating on that. So now I'm just gonna hike over to the far end of the lake because I have kind of a spot in mind where we might want to put the campfire pit set up. So we'll just go for a little hike and see what that looks like. This is a cool spot here. There's a little creek that comes in here in a wetland, and an old beaver dam. So go across, continue along the shore of Pan Lake. And yeah, it's a cool spot. Remember it on the bikes in the wintertime, if you go off the edge, the snow is super deep and you wipe out. So this is one of the spots I was thinking about. There's some amazing, huge white pine trees here, and a nice little cleared area right here, right by the end of the lake, that would make a cool little campfire pit. It's just about the right size, and there's water available here too, so if you need to put out the fire or anything like that, you've got that available as well. So yeah, this looks like a pretty good little spot. So this was the other spot I was thinking of. It's a bit of a, I guess it's a bedrock outcrop actually, and there's the beaver pond in the background, and Pan Lake is over that way. It's actually not a bad spot, other than on a windy day it may not be so pleasant here because you're pretty exposed to the elements here. So it might be a little bit breezier and cooler here. I think the other spot's probably a better spot, also because the other spot was a campsite as well. Probably makes sense to kind of concentrate all the disturbance in one spot rather than spreading it around. So I think I'll probably set something up at the other spot.